I think she wanna go home with me. Yeah. I think she wanna go home with me. I think she wanna go home with me. I think she wanna go home with me. I think she wanna drop it in my hand, you see. Don't you know, to her I am her fucking majesty. She feeling me, I'm feeling her. She going through some shit, I am her cure. I got that pure, little mama, I'm for you. Don't fuck with him, cause that nigga, he ain't true. Fuck with me, cause you know I'm here for you. We can have so much fun, cause you know we need the funds. I think she wanna go home with me. Yeah, baby. I think she do. I think she wanna do it too. I think she wanna fuck with me, cause I am that nigga that's fresh. Got that fucking zest swag, don't you know, you bitch niggas can't fuck with that shit, cause you know this nigga get on my fucking head so quick every time that I'm on that freestyle flow. Golden Child, Eddie Murphy, y'all niggas blind like Kirby, motherfuck it, fuck it. Don't you know that deep down your baby mama already done suck it? Fucking with the team, got that motherfucking broccoli. Don't you know that you niggas can't stop me? Got a pocket full of that Nazi, and I'm talking about the Hitler. Don't you know I'm gonna get ya? And she taking the picture, and I'm spitting that twister. Don't you know that the sticker gon' whip ya in two? I don't give a fuck what they bout. I'm gonna be the nigga on the money route. I'm gonna be that nigga out there doing my thing. Don't you know I got the gold chain, doing my thing, repping the scene. Motherfuckers mad cause we get in the green. Why they get upset cause we on the dollar? Motherfuckers mad cause I'm getting colada. I'm naughty with them girls, with the molly, man, busting the pearls down, getting it down to that ground, pound down, you know I'm going hard. Yeah, that's all that I know. Succumb to dependence like Georgia the blow. Every time that I'm on it, I'm all on that show, and I really give a fuck about what you know. You don't know shit about me. I didn't tell nothing about me. You don't know nothing about the C. You don't know nothing about the choose up. I don't give a fuck if y'all niggas about to just lose up. Every time that you talk that shit, I don't give a fuck about nobody. I'm in the party. I'm on the text. Don't you know I'm gonna have some sex? That's what I just do every time. Got the sweater. I'm so divine. I'm so goddamn swaggy. And you know I'm about to get the bag. And I'm so motherfucking glad that y'all just hate because it makes me better every motherfucking day. And I'm on the grind and I be on the motherfucking move. On the traffic, I'm the dude. I'm on 5 to the end. Giving a fuck to the motherfucking end. Over the top and I ain't writing on the pen. And I really give a fuck. I'ma set the trend. Waytown, 714. At already, 714. That's a little bit more on the score. Giving a fuck. Pedal to the floor. That's the flow. That's the way it's gonna be. Don't you know I'm gonna rip up the block. And you know I'm just rocking up. And don't you know this nigga ain't never gonna stop. I'm shouting out to my real niggas out there getting money in the field. All my bitches out there getting deals. Do your thing with them clear colored hills. That's what we know. To come to the game, that's how we go. We gotta get money, man, still the show. And every time we do, we gotta do it like a pro. Little mama wanna fuck with me because she know deep down I'ma get the fee. I got the pedigree, I got the real shit. Don't you know I got the pulpit. Everywhere I'm at, I'm getting all the guap. Everywhere I'm at, I'm going non-stop. Trying to get the money, man, fuck hip-hop. I'm trying to get the motherfucking big old knot in my pocket. I want football pads. Don't you know I got the motherfucking grams. Getting it off, you know this nigga got the soft. And you know I like the girl with the nice big sauce. Ass, look at the club Ember. Don't you know that this nigga gon' bend her? My heart cold like December. I don't give a fuck, man, I won't lend ya nothing. Gotta pay the motherfucking fee. Don't you know that ain't nothing for free? Man, you know you niggas is on grime. I don't give a fuck, you niggas is on lime. In the fucking dirt, don't you know I hurt? Giving a fuck, you know the pussy gonna squirt. Every time that the niggas are going deep. Motherfuckers mad, you niggas is on the motherfucking creep. I see you in the motherfucking cut, try to peep on my scene. You ain't getting nothing. Y'all motherfuckers ain't bluffing. Don't you know that you niggas is on nothing? Hoe ass nigga, get the fuck out my face. Giving a fuck, you know I'm winning that race. I'm like Usain Bolt in the race. Don't you know I'm getting that first place? Got 422. Don't you know that I got the blue? I got the smurfs, you know the sticker going through. And I really give a fuck about what you knew. You don't know me, you don't know what I'm about. You know this nigga on money route. Like I said in the song, don't do me wrong. You know smoke strong on that Cheech and Chong. Yeah, I'm on the way. Most of y'all ain't nothing but the slave. And I really give a fuck, got peeled away. Don't you know I'm just center stage. Yeah.